chugga 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 chugga. Woo 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 woo. Hi everybody, this is Susan, and this is my absolute favorite craft I've ever made. I think it's got to be my favorite, and it is using these Dollar Tree crates, and they come with a solid side or they come with a hole in it. And they made the hole first, and then they started making them solid. And I've used them to build a house, a curiosity kind of shelf house for Halloween. And I've made this train, and it's just so fun. You've just got to make one of these. It will make you smile every day when you look at it. And I made it for my girlfriend to give her chocolate. And so I made 2 cars, and I stuffed them, just stuffed them with chocolate bars and things. It's chocolate I had seen at Dollar Tree. And so mine, I wanted to do the stuffed little animals and Santa, and I got the sock monkey at the thrift store. And it was just perfect for me. So I wanted to show you the different things that go into this and what you can put on it and in it and decorate it. So this is a ribbon spool. And this is part of a ribbon spool. And this is the cap to my toothpaste right here. And so this is just some cardboard. And again, it's one of those crates. And then I use some, I believe these are Jenga blocks. I think it's 2 Jenga blocks. And these are like milk caps that I spray painted black. And I got these little candy looking plastic ornamental decor from Temu. And so this is a birdhouse. And it's at Dollar Tree too. You have the crates and you have the birdhouses. There's so much at Dollar Tree on the craft aisle. And then this is a cereal box up here. But the engine just came together so easily. And then I just blacked out, what looked like doors and windows with paint. And then put 3D, Dollar Tree 3D paint for snow all around it. And you might notice I have the little trees too. The bottle brush trees. I've got them set out with it. And so this is some garland I got at Hobby Lobby. In that section that's by the jewelry, it's at the back of the store. It has small, more miniature size crafts and things. And so you can pick up the little, the bows, the little bells. And this was in that section. Let me see what they're called. It's My Little Christmas. And these are for that small tree, but not tiny. And this is like that whole aisle that has this size. So these work great on here too. And then this is something I got off Temu. These are little gingerbread men. I think I got these after the fact because I didn't use them on here. But maybe for my miniature stuff. They're kind of a little big for miniature, but more Barbie size. But would be cute, all over it if you did the gingerbread theme. And this guy comes from Dollar Tree. They're so cute, these little plushies. They don't have squeakers in them for for your dogs, but they're just adorable, and they're great on a wreath too, because I put them on a wreath last year. So these were the little bags of greenery that you can get at Hobby Lobby. And so I've gone all around with those. And then these were something that Dollar Tree carries. And it's little small ribbons, snowmen, some deer, trees, and snowflakes. And all of these would look adorable. put them on the sides. Just adorable. And also, if you have in your stash, you have the little small pine cones. The little ones would look real cute around the wreath and up in here, and maybe one down here somewhere. And I did a stencil here of one of the Dollar Tree stencils. I did some gold paint there, but I've found gold, red, green at Hobby Lobby. These are all the bells, the different colored bells. They even have silver. And there's just so much you can put. And there's also this crinkle paper if you want to put chocolates in there, but you just don't want, completely spend your whole, you don't want to spend terrible much amount of money. You can put the crinkle paper down in it. It's festive too. And that's what I did. So I could put little pieces. What I did was I bought and split it up. I split them up between stocking and then this. So Dollar Tree has some cute little, and at Christmas time, some nice candy. And so she loved it, and her mom loved my train. So let's look at each piece. I just think this just came together so easily with if you keep your spools from your ribbon, it's thicker than like toilet paper or paper towel. And so they work great. And the birdhouse, like I said, it's the crate and the birdhouse from Dollar Tree. So this is wood up here because that's part of the birdhouse. And so you just, it's got a circle here, and so I just cut it out, put this over where the circle is, that would be the birdhouse. And then see the front, you make the wreath and then put the little decorations and bells, and there's the little pine cone and the little bows. And for these, you need I needed the Jenga block. I glued it in the middle. It's, it's on each side. It might have had to cut a little bit off of one, but it's to go up into the cap so the caps don't fall inward by their own weight. I had trouble trying to figure that out at first because I had them glued on and then they just wouldn't stay. They kept falling. So this did it with this across here, and you paint it black so you can't really see it. And it goes across the crate. And so it goes into the cap on each side. And then that helps it look perfect and sit perfect. So let's see. And now I did brown for the engine, and I did this aqua color it's so pretty with the red. The aqua is just gorgeous with the red. And so I did that for the second car. And look at Plushy Santa from Dollar Tree. He's so cute. And don't they look like they're having fun? And it's just so hard to put this away and wait for it for the next year. It's just so much fun. I just love this little gingerbread plushie. And Santa is just so cute. And I've always wanted a sock monkey. When I found that sock monkey at the thrift store, I just squealed with joy. You know how you just buy one thing at the thrift store that just makes your day? That was it, the sock monkey. So then I did this one cream. And you can, like I said, you stick little candy bars or little pieces of wrapped candy, festive looking, in with your plushies, and it just so full looking. Now this one I put a tree, like they picked up the Christmas tree in the Christmas forest. And so here he is. Isn't he cute? I don't know what it is about him that just seems so adorable, but I'm so glad to have him. And they just look like they're having the best time. Wind in the hair, and just riding along, looking at everything. Just funny. If you have like reindeer, they're cute. At first I bought the reindeer the headband from Dollar Tree, and I was going to put the reindeer in here with Santa Claus, but then I found this, and I was like, oh yeah, that's perfect. So that's the last of it. I don't know, maybe I'll make another one this year to another one of the cars to go in it. But it's just so fun, and I love walking in the room and seeing it. You've got to make this. It's just so cute. And if you have a grandchild, like I said, my friend, she loved the chocolate in it. And then her mom, like, loved the train. And I said, well, the train's for you. I spent a lot of time on the train. But it's just a great way to have a toy and have chocolate or candy. And also, I bought this fabric, and I was thinking, some plaid somewhere in there would be cute, because plaid's so perfect, So you can add, textures and, for their necks. This one has sequins on him, so that's nice. So you can add more to it, or just come up with anything that you like to put in it. It's just a really fun build. You'll have fun with each car and planning it. So thanks for coming by, and I hope you're having a great holiday. Bye-bye.